This tutorial is for anybody who's like me. Basically, you ate Cortana with like your entire soul. You want it to be removed from existence. Anyway, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on this bottom left thing. Your start menu. Should be in all apps. Just scroll down until you see Cortana right here in the C's. Right click on it, go to more, go to app settings, and then it should bring up this little settings tab that says Cortana, and you just want to turn your app permissions both off. This runs at login thing. If it's on, just turn it off. Then you can close this window. Next, you're going to look up Windows PowerShell or just PowerShell, and then you're just going to click Run as Administrator and make sure to click Yes when it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes? And you're just going to put this little thing into your PowerShell window, and I'll have this down below. And just click Enter. It should do a little green thing, and then it should be done. This will just remove Cortana. And then you can stop here. But if you're like me, you want it all to be gone. So you're going to go back to your search bar and go to Registry Editor. Should be this little blocky thing. It should be already installed. And just click on it. Say yes when you want to allow changes. And you're going to find this window. And you're going to want to find HKey local machine. Click expand it. And then go down to software. Expand that. Be a bunch of folders. Go down to policies. Expand that. To Microsoft. Expand that. Over to Windows, expand that. And now when you're in Windows, right click on Windows, click New, Key, and you're going to name it Windows Search. Just like that. And then you're going to have this in there and just right click on Windows Search, click New, and then go to DWord 32-bit value, and you're going to name it Allow Cortana, no spaces. And just click Enter on that. You can double click on it and make sure that it says this value data is 0, not 1. And just click OK when you're done with that, and you can just close out a registry editor, and you should be all done. It's off your computer. It's gone. It's done. It's terrible hold on your computer. It's rain. It's over. It's done. No more. Anyway, so you can just demonstrate here. I look up Cortana. Nothing comes up, no apps. I can go here, no Cortana. I can say, hey, Cortana. And finally, nothing happens.